Well, of course, the election dominates the headlines right now. There are a number of new coronavirus cases reported here in Arizona that we need to talk about. In fact, doubling in the last 24 hours. The state confirming 2,100 new cases just today. Yesterday, for comparison, that number was 814. We haven't seen so many cases reported in one day since July. All new at 6:30, the Yavapai County Health Department shut down after a coronavirus outbreak within their own doors. ABC 15's Nicole Grigg is in Prescott with how this virus likely spread.
This office building here in Prescott has been shut down. We've been told that there's around 10 staff members who have tested positive, and through contact tracing, they are able to link this back to a gathering outside of work. We're told that things are quickly changing, but more than a half dozen employees from the Yavapai County Health Services office tested positive for COVID-19. Yavapai County's health director made the call to shut down the facility because
due to the proximity with others and the fact that we were going to have to quarantine more people, it made me decide that that was the time. That was kind of that trigger point to say we need to get everyone out of the building.
Your state is doing great with a pandemic.
It was 2 weeks ago that President Donald Trump held a campaign rally in Prescott. We asked the director if she has been able to link any new cases through contact tracing back to the rally.
I know for certain we didn't have any cases that were linked back through contact tracing to the Trump rally. But it's hard to say. People would have to admit that as well.
Yavapai County and Prescott do not have mask mandates, and there's people like Karen from Wisconsin who wouldn't give us a last name who says,
"Notice I'm not wearing the mask."
"Why not?"
Why not?
We're Republican.
We're not afraid. We're not afraid. There's always going to be viruses.
As for the county health building, there are around 60 people who work inside here.
I want the public to know, too, that if there's any reason that they should be concerned about contact with someone who worked here, or if they had an appointment recently, they will hear directly from Community Health Center of Yavapai or Yavapai County Community Health Services.
This office will stay closed through the weekend. It's expected to open back up on Monday. As far as services, they're still taking phone calls or routing services through other locations here in Yavapai County. Reporting in Prescott, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.